In today's video, I'm going to teach you British slang and phrases that no one else will teach you. If you want to learn more about British culture, British slang, these ones that are coming up now, you won't find anywhere else on YouTube. I think people are scared of saying it, I think. But warning now, it depends on how you express these phrases and slang. If you say it aggressively, they will mean something completely different. So you must always say these in a fun way. Okay? That was your warning, and on to the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your Daily Cup of English, where I make learning English fun, easy, and oh so British. Today, we're spilling the tea on the top British slang words you need to know in 2025. Whether you're learning British slang or just love the UK culture, this video is the ultimate guide to modern British slang. So, grab your cuppa and let's dive in. But first, let me tell you how this video is going to work. First, I will give you the slang or the phrase. Then, I will give you the meaning of the slang or the phrase. Then we'll do a repeat after me exercise. And once we've completed that, we'll do a shadow exercise where you shadow me. This will improve your accent, improve your fluency, improve your pronunciation. It's a massive, massive help. So we'll go through all of these exercises in all of the 10 phrases and slang that I'm going to tell you today. So let's dive into your first one. Your first one is only said by British people. Only. I've been through 43 different countries in the last 28 years, and I say this a lot. And whenever I say it, foreigners from other countries just start laughing because they all say, you just sound so British. And my answer to that is, I am British. So your word is bollocks. And that's how it's said, bollocks. Now the meaning of this, it means nonsense, rubbish. Someone's talking rubbish. Example sentence. That's absolute bollocks. There's no way he ate 50 biscuits in one go. Okay, now repeat after me. That's absolute bollocks. There's no way he ate 50 biscuits in one go. Well done, well done. Now you're sounding really British. Now, shadow me. Ready? Now, shadow me means you say it at the same time as me, not after me, at the same time. Yeah. Try to keep up with my speed of my speech, my pronunciation, my intonation, and my accent. Try to copy all of it. Just mimic me. Right. Are you ready? Ready? That's absolute bollocks. There's no way he ate 50 biscuits in one go. Good. It'll be difficult at first, but we'll get lots of practice in through this video. Now, shadow me once more. Ready? That's absolute bollocks. There's no way he ate 50 biscuits in one go. Okay, good, good. Now, your next one. Now, your next one. Most countries don't understand this. And because there's lots of American films around, they hear this word and they believe it's a bad word. It's not a bad word in England. We use it in everyday language, but it's used in a tone that is not aggressive. If you use this in an aggressive way, then it will be taken in an aggressive way. Okay? The word is fuck off. The meaning, it means go away, get lost, or you don't believe. Example sentence. Fuck off, you're joking. That's your example sentence. Fuck off, you're joking. Now, repeat after me. Ready? Fuck off, you're joking. Good, good. I told you this lesson will be fun. Now, shadow me. Ready? Fuck off, you're joking. Good. Now, shadow me one more time. Fuck off, you're joking. Good, good, good. Well done, well done. Now, next one. Very similar to the last one. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Now, the meaning, it's used when you're shocked or frustrated. See, nothing to do with bad language. You use it when you're in shock or you're frustrated about something. Okay? Now, your example sentence. Ready? Fucking hell, it's freezing outside. Now, repeat after me. Fucking hell, it's freezing outside. Good, good. Now, shadow me. Ready? Fucking hell, it's freezing outside. Good. Now, shadow me one more time. Ready? Fucking hell, it's freezing outside. Good. Well done. Well done. This next one, not so, you don't have to worry about this one so much. This one is jiffy. Jiffy. It means a short amount of time. Example sentence. I'll be back in a jiffy. I'll be back in a jiffy. Now, repeat after me. I'll be back in a jiffy. Good. Now, shadow me. Say it at the same time as me. Ready? I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, good. Now, shadow me one more time. Ready? I'll be back in a jiffy. Good. So far, all of this slang and phrases, I use them all the time. This is my language. Number 5. Yeah, we're halfway through now. Tickety boo. Tickety boo. Tickety boo. Meaning, everything's fine. Everything's perfect. Tickety boo. Now, your example sentence is, everything is tickety boo here. Now, repeat after me. Everything is tickety boo here. Good, well done, well done. Now, shadow me. Ready? Everything's tickety boo here. Good. Now, shadow me one more time. Everything's tickety boo here. Well done, well done. Now, this is another touch and go one to some countries, some people. Number 6, are you shitting me? Now, the meaning of this is, I don't believe. I don't believe. Your example sentence. Are you shitting me? You won the lottery? Now, repeat after me. Are you shitting me? You won the lottery. Well done, well done. Now you'll find, if you're watching British films, you'll find all of these in British films, all of them, and really common in British films. And TV series and things, you'll find them all in them. Now, ready? Shadow me. Ready? Are you shitting me? You won the lottery? Good. Now, shadow me once more. Are you shitting me? You won the lottery? Good, good. Next one, really, really common. Can be used anywhere, really, anywhere. It's very informal. They're all very informal. And really, all the ones before this, you can only really use amongst friends and people you know. Do not use them in a formal context. These are all really informal. Now, the next one is cheers, meaning thank you. I use it more than I use thank you. I use cheers every single time. Now, your example sentence. Cheers for helping me out, mate. Okay? Now, repeat after me. Cheers for helping me out, mate. Good, good. Now, shadow me. Ready? Cheers for helping me out, mate. Well done, well done. And then shadow me once more. Cheers for helping me out, mate. Nice. Well done. Well done. Now your next one. Another. They're all just really common. They're just, you'll hear these all the time, all of them. Now, this next one is chuffed. Chuffed. It means really, really pleased or really happy. Yeah. Your example sentence. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with my new car. Now, repeat after me. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with my new car. Good, good. Well done, well done. Now, shadow me. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with my new car. Good. Shadow me one more time. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with my new car. Well done. Well done. Now, next one. I was gonna say that it's informal, but they're all informal. All informal. Now, this next one is minging. 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 It can mean disgusting, ugly, something that smells bad. Minging. Example sentence. This food is minging. I can't eat it. Okay, now repeat after me. Ready? This food is minging. I can't eat it. Good, good. Now, shadow me. This food is minging. I can't eat it. Good, well done, well done. Now, shadow me one more time. This food is minging. I can't eat it. Good, well done. Now, the next one. Another really common one in today's world, skint. Skint. Meaning broke, no money, penniless. Example sentence. I can't go out tonight. I'm completely skint. Now, repeat after me. Ready? I can't go out tonight. I'm completely skint. Good, good. Well done, well done. Now, shadow me. Ready? I can't go out tonight. I'm completely skint. Okay, well done. Shadow me one more time. Ready? I can't go out tonight. I'm completely skint. Well done, well done. And that's it. You've just practiced my top 10 British slang words you need to know in 2025. Keep practicing these modern UK slang phrases and you will sound like a true Brit in no time. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more British slang tutorials and speaking practice videos. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.